IT can be a game changer for your business, but it's important to get the right support in place. More companies are turning to managed IT services, not just to reduce costs, but to free up time and focus on growth. The key? Not all managed IT services are the same. It's about choosing what works best for your business needs. Some companies go with fully managed IT, where the provider takes complete control, handling everything from daily operations to long-term strategy. Others prefer a co-managed approach, where your in-house team gets extra support and tools without giving up control. For businesses with cloud setups, managed cloud services ensure optimal performance and security. IT support keeps everything running smoothly, while infrastructure management looks after the servers, networks, and systems that power your business. If data is piling up, managed analytics can turn it into actionable insights. With managed networks and cybersecurity, your systems stay secure and reliable. And data backup and disaster recovery give you peace of mind that your information is safe, even in a crisis. As Brian Fuller, CEO of Contigo Technology says, investing in managed IT services allows businesses to focus on core competencies while ensuring their IT needs are met efficiently and cost-effectively. If you want to learn more, check out our latest blog for a full guide. And don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for easy access.